how to play the E major scale for alto saxophone. And today we're just going to play the lower octave. Alright, so once again, we start with our thumb on the thumb rest and not on the octave key. And we're going to start with E, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, that's E. Then the next one is F sharp. And then G sharp, A, B, open C sharp. Then for the D sharp, we go like that, and we're going to add this top pinky key and our octave key. Then we release these two. That gets us to our high E. All right, then we come back down. D sharp, open C sharp. That's when we release the octave key. B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and E. Okay, that's all the notes. Let's play together. I'll count to 4 and then we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's your E major scale for alto saxophone. See you on the next video.